Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Konrad Sangma. Hendak kasngi ke Sitrik Uleber Ahajar Puai ula play umanong rem nak benta ka CHC hamau rekenang PHC. Nak benta ban kentiuno ya kene ka PHC ka CHC. Hakani kasngi lai dalang ru sembut Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela ba Preston Tensong, Menteri Ketenat Kakak Kakia ba Elhag, Menteri Badipe Ketenat Urban ba Sengob Halang Dhar, MDC Kathan ba Penyat Sing Sim ba Gui ke besar sarkar. Habakran hakani kasngi nak liang Menteri Rang Ba ulang baka sarkar katrang man kentiu ya kakot kakia ke Jela bat kani ke jaka sumar kadai ke badan kampha nemar kadai ke jaka ke baki pat ba kiat lenti man let cekiwi pat ke Jela bat kadai ru ke jaka ke ba ai jing syakri segi po hajar ngod ki pat ba jang athan nak liang Menteri Ketenat kakot kakia ula penpau baka ni kadai ke jing tristom jagi babon kinang ilam nadu MLA belaklat no ba David Nongrum bat ki kiwi Shishu ula benrap ru dak baong. Syakipat ba ai ba kini ke jaka ai dawai kanam kala ke jaka ai daw hadin habut. Ula kenturu yakipat ba kathan bikidi ban sumar bha yakini ke jaka sumar. Kaban ai ji syakri syakipat ba kathan.
Nga dak daga cingkemen ke bakrau sehisian hakmat jom pi baro ki pai ba nong shnong jom kini ki ro tuli ki shnong ki badon hapo jom ni kat dong bakat hain ke chungi kerpang nakamta ki sodar shnong nadu I samla Rang Ba Peter J Lawai ki balom play ke kerpang nakamta kini ki he ki chungi nadu chief minister bat hapo ka chingelam ka chungi kum chief minister bat ringkat bagas sarkar MDA berkawe kelas ngolem bat kelas ngap ia ka cingut cingnam cuki pai ba keni ka dong kathan ia ka ba daga cingkut cingmut jongka ia ka ba kelabu ia ka sanction ka ba kerbang nakamenta keni ka CHC ngaso ban ai kublai kerbang ye Dr Amanwar DHS Dr Manoj Basayumat DMHO bat baro ki health officer nanta ki district officer na po district administration kibla kitki bandan lang ya ka bangin yo ban sakhi menta kasnge lese kindik taching sedang jongkowe pat ka project kidang bun shibun ki kam kiba kipai ba kidang don kam man kasnge ngidang ye kran shapang ka chingdon kam nalon ka kot ka khia haba kipai ba kidan hakapang kastam kidon kam ro wat hakabide bat ka umbam umdi kaniro di kawen na ka issue kawen na kamat ka bangi tensno siya ka sarkar. So on behalf of the village we like to apprise you that the people here they are really in need of water supply. So we want to request you sir if you can manage to provide financial assistance or any central scheme or state scheme to these villages which will help them in getting water supply. Nasno ban penpau icing kemen bakrau ya kabale sin nakapor siya kapor ni layo kalat dan pensno ya chief minister ba minister ki pero fair ya kabal nginyo lese ki kum ki pai ba ya kita ki development lene karoi kapar ki pero fair we are still lacking behind with so many developmental activities here in our constituency, so hope that under your leadership under your guidance that this constituency will not be left alone, and hope that you will take care, and the government is still here for another 2 years under your leadership. We hope that many developmental activities we will get from you and from this government, and as of now so many people, in spite of in a very short time notice that we have given them, but still so many people they have responded to this meeting. So this is a good sign, sir, that all the people also they are agree and they support your leadership in this government. May this government continue till the end. I bakanika sarkar MDA hapo chingilam chong I Sir Conrad but baro ki menteri ki badepet ki department of hair kinyo ban petiang ka kam hadu bakut chong ni kasasnyam baki pai ba kinyo ban saki shibun ba kita ki kam chingkul khu namta ki chungki kublai shibun kublai sha chorgu I baro
Baju kuat berkerbau hagi sedang ke belalai. Harus sedang arajar kat gendai, harus sedang arajar pau, ila pelong ke meeting cini la bonsin. Rekat bagi MLA beram. La kelano bangkuai dua jumlah, ba David Nongrum, EMDC, iba peniat CM, nang tadi ki Sardar Sinong, girang ba Sinong, bat ke bagi katukan ni ki rewang ba, namar bagi la agno la slam ba. Nang bandaban upgrade no ya ketiga PC saga CAC. This is the long pending, the long aspirations of the people of the Mauritanian constituency and their neighboring villages to upgrade this PHC to the CAC. Today, their long aspirations, expectations of the people is going to be translated into reality. Kadang-kadang force new yung ipaiwa kabakat lalu gitu kipor. Nagabanta gidong mikmat yung iru kila force new bonsin. Lalu kipor kamumunca bala ongi Dr. W.S. Jerwa. Bagila persang nagabanta hagi kam jongki, hagi jengtre jongki. Man penolong ya kani kam. Hendrai mendagasgi daga jengdol lengkat yung Honorable Chief Minister yung Konrad Sangma. Kejengdon yung Deputy Chief Minister yung Uba Presiden Tensong bat kim Perlok Minister Uba Senyo Bahalang bat mafi baro ngilong kum gisaki ba ya kani ka PC Mauring keneng on penlong no sa ke CAC. Tang man pengen mau. Ba ya kani ka CAC kabang impat yo bercuai ke sanction ru ngila patrai lupa. For your information, sir, we have not even received any sanction for the upgradation from PAC to CAC, but we have already started the work. But today we are very happy with the generosity of our Honorable Chief Minister. He has sanctioned the scheme for upgradation the PAC to CAC at Mauring. Sir, this PAC is it's located strategically very located in very ideal place. That's why we don't need a simple only for the upgradation, but we need also the other facilities. The important here is the trauma center and also the blood storage facilities. Hagani ke jaka namar bagni ka PAC ke dona ke jaka ke balong ke biang hada dong sedong ke ba wei ke lenti ke balik Shillong ke wei ke lenti ke balik Sepok Guwahati National Highway. Namar kata ke dau dan kablu Omdai tambah gila orang ban upgrade ya kan ke PAC CAC ke lakut ke kam. Kum health minister ko ong ipi ngidot kam du. Bandon sekatu kan ni ki jingdot kam. Kum ga blood storage tambah banbu ya ka jaka bu senam hak ni ke jaka. Ban kum juru ya ke trauma sedar. Namar bag ni ke jaka. Namar bag ni ke national highway buan bahagi jingja accident. Ki baja hak ni ke jaka. Hak ta ke por ke balong emergency. Ki kam ga bakirke. Shenung in one, ya kita ke juror kam nak mentaka trauma treatment, but ya kita ke blood facilities. Kita bagi pipe ba ke jungi ke don kam. Kini ke jika kemudian boong ba only serving only the people of Mauring or the neighboring villages of the Mauring, even to those passers by. Ya kita ki beriu ke biya leti dan ni namar ba kerana ke surat. Bun ba ke village Juai, ke village Port Silchar, ke village Mizoram, ke village ke jaka ki ya ke surat. Kini ke Surok kalau very strategically located. Haju kata kalau kemudian kam nak kemudian juga jodoh kam jauh paiba. Tinggi kum nak kalian ke sarkar ngasim ru kalat ke kabu ban ong you Honorable Chief Minister ke jogi. Begini ke facilities tu ngilador kam kerke. Bari ong ipi mendagasgi ba mendagasgi ngilang bu mau nongrem ya kini ka upgradation yang ke PAC ke CAC Henry kanum slam show ngalong ipi bangini inaugurate ru ya kani ke CAC bangalong fully functional kanong jingger ku bagi jimtoy gibon bai pai ba tidak kaliang jong sarkar ngirut kam ya ka penyo ya ka jing trelang jopi gi pai ba bagila ban pendep ke ni kam bagi kwa ban ong bagi ni ka kamo ong lam gi wegi nongtren la tren shwa jonga Bakam day ban ong bakade jong sarkar kade ke jungi. Barbor mi di ban ong ke jungi. Ngam kwa ban ong bakade ke jaka ai dawai. La syai ke long ke jaka ai daw. Barbor di pai ba. Hakado ban ke jaka bakade jong sarkar. Ki pulong ke jaka ai daw. Tang bakla belum lagi doktor tang slam belum lara bakar. Tang su bakla ke dia doktor gemtip dari ke dau jeng pang jeng sitom jeng no juno la wadi khulong la wadi samla la roba la wadi teman gikro la tendo baik bagi dia ginong ai dawai kita pelong kini ke jaka ai dawai ke jaka ai dau tidak ke dau ong yu pi baro wat pelong kini ke jaka ai dau nombor 2 kini ke jaka ai jing subar bagi doktor baro ki betre yang ni kinos baro betre yang ni ki asya baro betre yang ni Kitray nagabanta ke jurun kam yang pajba. Jadi nagadaw ikot pengewe di baru tu itray lang. Bak surga nagabanta ke jimbentoy. Jongi upay bahi.
Ong bakane kade ke kampung beriu. Kasuk hak jabe jonga. Video na ke sarkar ka balak ban penbe da ka CHC. Datang ke MDA government ke balak penbiaya yapi nak PHC syaka CHC i doktor jua menai lajer kerteng kat nu potli kisnem ngangakhen nyimat san pau kendai snem mentap hiyo ai ka CHC tegalong ke jingger ku ke bakrau ya ka area mau nak kereng porok kowe bat kumal keren kira orang ba ai bagani ka CHC kan ai ka jing syakri ka bapura ya ka dekat han baro kowe sakawe ka bangakwa ban penbit berkata kali napo ka veterinary department baro i keren bet tang mani sumari ke priu ngaka ong to i sumari ke manas berkata kalamba Muslim show nginyo sanction menta ya ka poultry farming jong pihang ni ka poultry farming hang ni hapo mau orang keneng la dadang syak kapor ngi sowan play la syak kapor WebDC jong piu play bakaba arpat ngin upgrade skabha mentani upgrade ke PC syaka CHC tinggi upgrade pada kerja kat Sumar Barat hangtei hapo seorang kap naka sub center syaka dispensary ban Sumar Barat uwei umaw arteli kisimbio piki bala dun bok pala naka daw kialit nang ni saya tiasuk tiasay ya pu samarke bag ngimde ban klep ya ulit David Nongrum ngimde ban klep ni hapan salute ulukale maj eli jompi leu blei ulai bit ban simno ya u kabangita ke sorka bag ngaya ledi kabang aduai kelong tangkawe ba ublay unum konsuet ya kamauren keneng konsensi kikbe kikpa ki konsamla piju perkat ni megata lar perkat dua isya jingit ba pinyo ya ubay pat unong yala uba kumno ai bote bodi jrong un pensyai pi kumlay pi sya jago
speak much because just when I was going to speak, the tea has come. So my tea might get cold. So I will make it very short. But I'm indeed very happy to be here today to be part of this program of the foundation stone laying of this very, very important upgradation of the PHC to CHC in Morokaneng. I would like to thank all the leaders who have played their role in making this day a possibility. Many people have contributed. At the same time, the local leaders out here, the headmen, the shnongs, all have played a very, very vital role in making this day happen to upgrade the PHC to a CHC. Our local MDC, Bapanyat, has also played a very, very vital role in coordinating and pushing the government and the department to really make this a success. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of them, especially our local leaders and the members of the officials of the health department who have taken all the trouble to upgrade this PHC to a CHC. At the same time, I can clearly understand the importance of this CHC because it is not just for the people of this area, but being in such a strategic location, this particular CHC can benefit much more and much beyond just simply this area or this particular village. So therefore, the suggestions given by the Honorable Minister, Mr. A.L. Heck, to open up a trauma center as well as a blood bank is something that will really add value to the services in this particular CHC, and I can assure you that we will very, very positively consider those suggestions also from our side. Friends, health has been a very important aspect for this government. We have realized that health indicators and the health services are not up to the mark in terms of being able to provide it in the rural areas. A lot of investment, a lot of upgradation, a lot of manpower has to be put in to ensure that the health services overall come up. With that in mind, this MDA government has been working very hard to upgrade the overall health facilities in many, many rural parts of the state. Not just here in Moronkaneng, but in many other parts of the state where upgradations need to be done from sub-centers to PHCs, PHCs to CHCs, new buildings are required, new equipments are required, proper manpower is required. I'm very happy to inform you that overall our health minister and his entire team has been doing a lot to push the health sector forward. This year is going to be very, very important for us because we are about to implement a very big project which is funded by the World Bank, where new buildings will be put up in different PHCs and CHCs. Renovation works will be taken up at large scale, and usage of telemedicine and information technology will also be upgraded in the implementation of ensuring that better health services are provided to the people. So health has always been the forefront for us, and therefore this decision that we took today, some days back, to upgrade this PHC to CHC was a natural decision. And once again, I will thank the department, the minister, and all the leaders who have played a vital role in making this a possibility. Friends, apart from that, the Honorable MDC had mentioned about many areas that need to be upgraded and need to be improved in Moronkaneng constituency. He mentioned about the upgradation of the water supply scheme in Moronkaneng area. I'm happy to inform all of you that water supply is being taken up very expeditiously by the state government, and definitely the Jal Jeevan Mission benefits will also come to Moronkaneng area, and we will ensure that it's done in a speedy manner. So water supply will also be upgraded in this area. He had mentioned about other areas of road, other areas of education also. I'm in constant touch with him. He is the person who is behind this entire push to ensure that we all came here today to upgrade this particular PHC to CHC. Apart from so many upgradations going on, I'm sure that there will be upgradation in his level also. So we are hoping for that also to see in the coming days. So many upgradations taking place, let's have one more upgradation also. So friends, once again, I will not take much time. It is very heartening to see all of you out here today. Let me reassure you that this government has always kept the people in front and always worked towards ensuring that we can get better development for the people, especially in the rural areas of our state. There are many programs and implementation that's going on. I don't want to go into details of all of that as it will take a lot of time. As you are all aware, we have got assembly session going on and we have to go back to office after this to prepare for tomorrow's session also. So with these few words, once again, I would like to thank all the organizing committee members who have organized this program, the beautiful song that was sung, the beautiful speech that was given by our local leaders out here, and the different programs that have been organized today by the health department also. So